Hello, welcome to the tutorial on authentication using Microsoft Identity Platform. In this first lesson, we shall be using Microsoft's Blazor Server template. So, what do we do? I have open on my machine this tutorial that has to do with creating a Blazor Server app that uses the Microsoft Identity Platform for authentication. There is also a tutorial for Blazor Server, which we'll be looking at later. Now, so what are the prerequisites? You must have .NET 7 Core, .NET Core 7 Software Development Kit. You should also have an Azure account that has an active subscription, which you can get from Microsoft.com. In case you are not able to register for Azure, free Azure account, another option is for you to join the Microsoft 365 developer account developer program. So when you join the Microsoft 365 developer program, you will get an instant sandbox that is configured with sample data, including Teams, developer portal, and you can start developing on the Microsoft 365 platform. So out of the two options, I currently have a Microsoft 365 developer account. So I'm going to log in. No. This is not it. Let me sign out of this. So software 365. Sign in. Okay, this is the account I have. So I'm going to enter my password now. Sign in. So say yes. So I've logged into my Office 365 developer. Now the next thing I'm going to follow is I need to register an account. So let's follow the steps to register an account. So this is the quick start. Register an application. So it says sign into the Azure portal. But in this case, I have a link that I sent to myself. So it's called Entra Admin Center. So for this, for the Office 365 developer program. So the address is entra.microsoft.com. So if you are using Azure account, it will be azure.microsoft.com. So now, so you have applications, you have app registrations. So I click on app registration. So now I'll click on new registration. So the name of this app, let me call it Benjamin SQL Server. Now you have supported account types. Who can use this application or access this API? So let's leave it in the default. The direct URI, let it be web for now. And let's copy this. As we redirect URI. So this is the default redirect URI for applications that are running on Kestrel. So the next thing we are now going to do is we click register. So you see this message. Now it says under manage, select authentication, implicit grant and hybrid flows. So this, you can see this manage. So let's click on authentication. So after clicking on authentication, under implicit grant and hybrid flows, select ID tokens. Then select C. So we have this implicit grant and hybrid flows. Then we should select ID tokens, and then we should click save. So that is that. Then after this, we can go to under manage. We should click on select certificates and secrets, and then client secrets, certificates, secrets. Then we click on new client secret. Enter a description for this client. Let's call it login for SQL Server. Recommended is 180 days. Let's leave it. Let's click add. So let's open a new notepad. Let's write secret value equal to secret ID equal to. Let's save it. Let me save it as client secret for me. Okay. So that's done. So the next thing now is to create the app. That's the Blazor Server app. Now what we are going to do is, let's click on overview for our app. So when we click on overview, you have this. So now I'm going to go to File, New Project. I'm going to search for Blazor. Then I'll click on Blazor Server app. I'll click on Next. Let me call it AD login for Benjamin SQL Server. I'm going to save the project on my C drive in this part. Then I click Next. Framework.NET 7 authentication type Microsoft Identity Platform. Then you click Create. Required components need to be installed. Let's click Next. Let me click back. Let me click next. Let me click cancel. Now let me go to Solution Explorer. Let me go to App Settings. So at this point, you have Azure AD instance is login.microsoftonline.com. Qualified domain name. Qualified domain name. Let me go to users. Let me go to all users. Let me copy one user. So qualified domain name, please qualified domain name. The one after the at. So qualified domain name. The next thing is tenant ID. Let me go back to app registrations. Let me click on Benjamin SQL Server. Should be tenant ID. Copy that. Paste it here. Type out client ID. This client ID. Copy it. Oh, excuse. This client ID. Copy it. I think that should be it. The next thing you want to do is to run and test the application. HTTPS. Click on play button for HTTPS. Let's pick this account. So log in with my username and password. Sign in. It says I shall put sign in request on the authenticator app. Done. It says permission requested. Accept. So I've successfully logged in, and let me log out. Thank you for watching.